That horse has got a dress on. What do you think of that?
Baby.
Can you say horse?
Horse? That horse has a dress on. Did you ever see a horse with a dress on?
Yeah, of course she did.
Okay. What's Francis doing? Helping poor man? Helping the poor man?
Baby.
Yeah. What do we got here? Oh. Francis is praying. Francis is saying a prayer.
Apple.
Look at Francis. Look at Francis. What? He has no clothes on. You're dribbling.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
You're dribbling. What do you think? Okay. Okay, we're back to Francis and he's singing, but he has clothes on now, right? I want to see the animals. Do you want to see the animals? I do too. I do too. There's Francis.
Baby.
Baby. Oh,
Yep.
oh, all done, huh?
Oh, Vivian.
All done.
Enjoy the book.
Baby. Baby.
Wanna see
Baby?
the baby, huh? You want to see the baby?